Hi, this is Wendy Christine from Raspberry Lane Crafts with a few facts about Sun Conures. Venezuela, home to Angel Falls, the world's highest waterfall at over 3,000 feet, is also home to the Sun Conure. Once these small bright yellow and orange parrots inhabited the mixed woodland grassland ecosystem there and neighboring Guyana. Fruit, seeds, and berries as well as blossoms, nuts, and insects seem to be their preferred food in the wild. Palm tree cavities make great nesting sites for the sun conures where 3 to 4 eggs may be laid. A lifespan of up to 30 years has been recorded in pet sun conures, though it is probably significantly less in the wild birds. Sun conures are classified as endangered on the International Union for Conservation of Nature's Red List, which means they face a high risk of extinction in the wild. Trappers for the pet industry are cited as the major threat to the sun conure. More than 2,200 Sun Conures were imported into the U.S. between 1981 and 1985. Raspberry Lane Crafts offers the Sun Conure cross-stitch kit, which includes the cross-stitch pattern, 14 DMC 6-stranded embroidery floss skeins, a Scarlet Today pack of size 7 fine English embroidery needles, and a DMC gold-colored handled embroidery scissors. Visit us for cross-stitch and quilt patterns, sewing supplies, art prints, and free videos and patterns at www.raspberrylanecrafts.com, and have a sunny day.